Question 14 shows us that this is the question that is related to the sex-linked gene. Okay, so yep, easily we know that this is the question that is related to the deviation from the Mendel's model. Okay, and it is related to the sex-linked gene. Okay, so when we say sex-linked gene, most of the time, most probably, it should be the X-linked gene. Yeah, the X-linked gene. So if it's a sex-linked gene, whenever we want to calculate the ratio and all these things, we will still use the type 1 method. Yeah, the type 1 method. Okay, find the parent genotype, find the gamete, and then lastly, find the ratio. Okay, so now, first step, we will still go for parent, yeah? So look for the parent. So let's see the questions. Okay, so it tells us that the yellow body is actually recessive. Yeah, yellow is recessive, yeah? Okay, so that will mean that the gray would be the dominant, okay? So with that, we can say that, okay, so the X-linked gene, right? Okay, so gray color is the dominant, and then the yellow color is the recessive. Okay, so now we confirm with this already, then yep, now we try to look for the parent. Yeah, so this question tells us that a cross produce all male progeny with yellow body and female progeny with gray body. Okay, so that means that all the male, yeah, all the male, they are yellow, while all the female are gray. But they don't tell us what is the parent genotype. Yeah, in fact, the question is asking what are the parents' genotype, looking for the genotype of the parent. Okay, so for parent, since they are looking for that, right? So we don't know. We don't know what is the genotype of the parent. Okay, so next is we have to find the gamete. Yeah, we have to find the gamete. Yeah, so same thing, draw the Punnett square. All right, so gamete, we don't know at all. Yeah, we don't know at all. But what we know, what the question tells us, the question tells us that all the male, they are yellow, and all the female, they are gray. Okay, so that one, we can put that into the offspring. Yeah, put that into the offspring, yeah, the F1 generation, the offspring. Okay, so all the male would be X, Y, yeah? All the males should be X, Y, yeah? This is what we know, yeah? So all the males should be X, Y, and they are all yellow. So male yellow means that they contain one X gene with the recessive, yeah, with the recessive gene, yeah, with the recessive gene. So that is for yellow. So that's why it's X small g, yeah, X small g. Okay, recessive gene. Then all the female we have to put X. Okay, so all the female are gray, are having gray body. Yeah, gray, yeah. So gray will means that all the female must have at least one dominant. Yeah, at least one dominant, then only then it will be the gray color. Okay, and if let's say it is gray, okay, then this one unknown actually. Yeah, this one is unknown. Okay, so we will just put like this first, or okay, X dominant and X dominant. Because when female is gray body, so it can be this one or this one, either one. It can be either one. Okay, so in order to find the gamete, well, we all know that when this one cross with this one, then it will produce this genotype. Okay, and when this one cross with this one, then it will produce this genotype. Okay, so now we move for the male first, because male is confirmed, female is not confirmed yet. Okay, so we do the male first. For male, well, this one confirmed will donate the Y. Okay, Y must come from here. Right? Okay, and then this XG, it must be coming from here. Okay, so done. Then next, okay, this X small g will be giving to this one also. Okay, so seems like it's impossible to have this one already. It's impossible to have homozygous dominant. Okay, because this gamete, it will be donated to this individual. Okay, and if let's say this is the recessive one, then it's impossible to have the homozygous dominant genotype. So with that, we can now confirm that this is confirmed out. Okay, this is confirmed out already. Okay, maybe I use blue color. This is confirmed out. Okay, so if this is confirmed out, then that means that this would be the genotype of the female progeny. That means that all the female gray body, it must be this genotype. Okay, so if this is the genotype, then who is the one will give this dominant? Yeah, it must be from this. Yeah, it must be from this parent. Okay, because this parent will give the recessive G AD. Okay, then this parent will give the Y, and then who will give the dominant X G? Yeah, so it will be, of course, this parent. Okay, so I will. Okay, sorry. So this would be the XG. So once you're done with this, then you do a checking again. Yeah, you do a checking again. Okay. So XG and Y, so it will give rise to all the male with yellow body. Then XG dominant and the XG recessive, they will give rise to the heterozygous. That will give rise to female gray body. Okay, so with that, yes, it is confirmed that, okay, this would be the gamete of one parent. This would be the gamete of the second parent. Okay, so once you know the gamete, then I think we can find the genotype of the parent. Okay, so this is definitely from one parent. So this would be the male parent. Yeah, this would be the male parent. So the male parent, it must be XG. Why? Then only then they can give rise to two types of the gamete. Well, for this parent, for this female parent must be both X recessive. Then only then this parent can give rise to only one type of the gamete. Okay, so with that now, yeah, we have find the two parent. Okay, so with that, we will state that the genotype, okay, of the parent would be XG dominant Y, and also the XG recessive. Okay, so with that, yes, that is all for the question 14.